channel, guys.
Guys, this video helps you to get a programming course of JavaScript worth 2000 on Udemy for free. So go to description, click on the link I have given and go to this. Do what I do. This can be done in phone. Before that, you ensure you have a Udemy account and follow the same procedure as I do. Okay, go back, click on I am not a robot. Okay, after the verification is done, click on continue. Just close all the other tabs and what you need to do is just again scroll down. All the other tabs must be closed. They are nothing but ads. The timer doesn't start for you. You need to double tap or highlight it by copying or click on any ad. The timer continues and then click on get link. Close this ad. Again click on the get link. Here you will be redirected to the Udemy website with the applied coupon code. Okay, do not change anything in the coupon code, you'll lose your free. Okay, if you don't have a Udemy account, create it to learn the JavaScript. Here are the course contents and one thing. Do you know why I am doing this? Just know the reason.
I want to reach 1 million like.
Just click on the add to cart or enroll now. Okay, it's taking some time. Guys, you need to comment. I'll do like these videos, whether you want a hacking video or a programming video with a Udemy course. Okay, I'll give them free. Comment which one do you want, a programming one or ethical hacking. Okay, I kept these new subscribers is all from next stream. I'm going to use this overlay, so for a bit one I have kept this to show you. Okay, it's going on. Yes, the enrollment is done. Here I am and let me start the course now. I'll show you the course we will play. This is not a hacking one, and remember this is time limited only. Okay, the JavaScript is being played for me now. I can learn it, you can learn it, you can learn it with your friends. Okay, make it fast to learn the JavaScript. What are you guys gonna do in the lockdown? For the time pass we can learn the JavaScript. I'm going to learn it, you can also learn it. In future if you want, just comment me to do like these videos, and also have done a previous video to get Amazon Prime for free, and some members have been commenting they are not getting. Why don't they get it? I don't understand. Okay guys, do what I said, you'll get it. There is no fake in my videos and I have received no copyright claim. Okay,
Whatever. Please